Hi guys, how are you doing? So what I wanted to tell you guys is that Kuccps website huwa inasumbua sana. So ukipata inakuonyesha error, just keep reloading the page. Keep reloading the page. So that is it. That's what I did. Every time inaniletea error, sijui not found, I keep reloading the page. Hata kama itatake hata 10 minutes, you have to be patient. So keep reloading the page. Another thing is that when you are making a payment, hapa kwa payment reference usiweke M-Pesa transaction code or transaction reference, weka account number. Ile account number ulitumia kulipa hiyo 1500, hiyo account number is normally in capital letters, so tumia hiyo account number, weka kwa hiyo payment reference. So click submit, alafu it will go through. Ikiendelea kukuonyesha error, keep reloading the page until itakubali. There's a time nilikuwa nimereload the page almost 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, ilikubali. So that's the trick. Unless hauna data kwa simu ama data ya connection yako iko chini, unless hauna internet ama internet iko weak. As long as you have strong internet, I normally test out by going to other website to see. So if you have a very strong internet connection, as long as you keep reloading the page, it will go through. Nimeapply watu wengi and it was very smooth, it was very simple. So that is it. So make sure una apply the course uko interested in. If you have any question or you are still facing the problem, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you.